Hello students, so in today's lecture again we are going to continue with the chapter number 11, that is regular expression. Last lecture we have seen some concept or the terminologies which we are using while writing the regular expression, like metadata characters are there. After that special sequences we have used, and then sets. Okay, so that much basic you should remember. And some methods also we have used, like find all method, search method, sub method, and then find iter method. So these many methods we have already used, and the same methods we are going to learn in today's session also with some more example. So in today's lecture we are going to cover one topic, that is explain or what are the various methods of regular expression. So RE package contains so many expressions, okay, so many methods. So out of which we are going to discuss in today's session the sixth method. The first one is RE dot match method. Okay, but particularly this method finds match if it occurs at the start of the string. Means if you want to check for a particular pattern at the starting only, whether that particular string or whether that particular word is present at the beginning or not, that if you want to check, then you can make use of match method. So match method is having again two parameters. First one is the pattern and the second parameter is the string. So just see the example. Import re, result equal to re dot match into round bracket r within the raw string or the pattern which we have taken, that is av. Okay, and the second parameter, the string which we have provided, av analytics vidya av. So as we have seen in the explanation part, match method will check whether the pattern which we have provided, that is at the beginning or not. So now in this we are searching for AV, and AV is present at the beginning of the sentence or the string which we have passed. So definitely this particular program will give you the positive result only, because AV is present at the beginning of the string. Just see how the result is given by the match method, that is it show, just see the output underscore sre dot sre underscore match object at, means object at means the pattern av which we are searching, that is present at the position 0 into the memory location is provided. So match method, what it does, it just check the pattern which is present at the beginning or not. Okay, so it is very important, that is beginning. And there is one more method which is associated with the match, that is group. So if you want to see, now in previous example the result just displayed the memory location where the object found, right? But if you want to just display the object, that is av which is found at the beginning, and if you want to display av as a result, so in that situation you can reprint the result dot group into round bracket 0. So it will give you the pattern for which you are searching for. Okay, so it will display the raw string which we have provided to check as a pattern. So this is one more method which is associated with the group. So the first method of regular expression is match. Now next method which we are having is search. Actually search and match method are almost similar, but in case of match it just checks the pattern is present at the beginning or not, right? But in case of search method, it will check the pattern is present inside the string or not. Okay, so anywhere if the particular pattern is present, still it will give us a result as true. So now in the example, result equal to re dot search, and we are searching for the pattern analytics, and then in the second parameter we have provided av analytics vidya av. So now analytics is present, it's not present at the beginning or at the end, but this particular pattern analytics is present in our string, so it will give you the result as true, the search method. So there is very small difference between match method and search method. Match method will check the pattern is present at the beginning, and search method will check the pattern whether it is present inside the string or not. This is not the condition that pattern is at the starting or ending. Anywhere that particular pattern we found in the string, still the result will be displayed as a true. Okay. Now next, one more example I have taken. Import re str equal to the rain in Spain and x equal to re dot search method we are using, search into round bracket. The pattern we have provided, that is slash s. So what is the meaning of slash s? This is one of the special sequence which is find out the space, blank space. So our pattern is blank space. So we want to search for the position of the blank space where it encounters. So because why position? Because it's just see the print statement. The first white space character is located in the position and we have printed x dot start. So x dot start, the first space where we found after the. So what is its position? From t we will be having 0 as a numbering. So t is having 0, h is having 1, e is having 2 as a numbering, and the space will have 3. So the first space is occurred at the position 3. So like that it will display the result. So this is search method. Next method is find all. Find all method we have already used whenever we want to find the specific pattern. Then in that situation we are making use of find all method. So just see the first example, result equal to re dot find all. What we are finding? AV, and the string which we have passed, that is AV Analytics Vidya AV. So now in this string 2 times AV is present. So whenever we will display the result, that is print result, 2 times AV will be displayed within a square bracket. Means because the find all function will gives us the result in the form of list. So basically whatever functions which are performed by match or which are performed by the search method, all the functions togetherly can be performed by the find all method, and this is the reason why this particular method is commonly used, or if you want to use this particular method, because this is not having any restriction. So I hope this is clear to you. This will find for the specific pattern, and it's not the case that the pattern is present at the end, start, or in between. Search will give you the result as true and false when we get the pattern, and if you consider the find all, it will display the pattern whenever it matches for the same, or whenever it find the match, it will display the match as a result. One more example for the find all function which we have taken, str equal to the rain in Spain, x equal to re dot find all, and what pattern we are finding? We are finding for AI. So the string those contains AI will be displayed as a result. So now in our case we are having the string as the rain in Spain. So in rain word also we are having AI, and in Spain also we are having AI. So we how many times? That is AI will be displayed 2 times. We will not get the result as rain and Spain. We will get the result as 2 times. That is AI, occurrence of the AI is present in the string 2 times. So that will be the answer. Next is split method. Split method means according to any character, if you want to split the string, that is if you are having the sentence, and if you want each and every word of the sentence to be a part of list as the separate element. So in that situation we can make use of split method. So first example, just see re equal to split, re dot split into round bracket. We have taken the pattern as I, means whenever I encounter, we just want to split. So the text which we have provided, Analytics Vidya. So here analytic, after that I is there. So analytic will be displayed as a first word. Okay. After that I will not be displayed. After I we are having CS space V. That will be displayed as your second output, because after CSV I occur. So CS space V will be considered as a single word, and after I we are having there DHYA. So that will be our third character. So I will not be displayed, but whenever I is there, the text which is present before the I will be considered as a separate one. Okay, and then there is one more parameter which is associated with the split, that is max split. So in the second example we took the same example, but we have added this one parameter, that is max split equal to 1. So max split equal to 1 means it will only split when the eyes occur for the first time, that is only once it will split. And this is the reason why analytic will be displayed as a first character, and this CS space Vidya will be considered as the second one, because max split is 1 only. So max split 1 means, so it will only perform the splitting only once, not for the second time I occur. So that is the which, and it is not compulsory to use max split equal to u1. We can directly provide the parameter as 1 2 3 like that also. So that will be clear to you in one of the example. So max split equal to 1, in place of, it's not compulsory to write max split equal to, you can just provide the number as a parameter, third parameter. Then we are having one more example, str equal to the rain in Spain and x equal to re dot split and space. So according to whenever space encounter, the splitting will be done. So the will be considered as a first word. Then we are having rain, then we are having in, and then we are having Spain. So all the 4 words from the characters are displayed in the form of list because of split method. And as I told you previously, it is not compulsory to use max split equal to 1. You can just provide the 1 as a parameter. So for the same, just take this example. str equal to the rain in Spain we have taken. Then x equal to re dot split, whenever we want to split, whenever space occur. And the last parameter we have provided 1, that is nothing but the value of max split. So only 1 means only when the first time space occur, that time only splitting done. So after first time, after the space occurs, so the will be considered as a one word or the first element of the list, and after that rain in Spain will be considered as a second list item. Okay, so this is split function. After split we are having sub function. So sub means whenever we want to search for a specific pattern, and whenever we want to replace that pattern, then in that case we are making use of sub. And if the pattern is not found, the string is written unchanged, and if there is no pattern, then we will get the same string as output. So just see the first example, result equal to re dot sub into round bracket. Now the raw string which we are searching for, that is India, and I want to replace India with the new string, that is the world. And the last third parameter is the string in which I want to do the replacement. So as we are having the sentences, AV is largest analytics community of the India. So now in the sentence we are having India, so that will be replaced because of sub function with the word. And this is the reason why whenever you will print the result, you will get the output as AV is largest analytics community of the world. So now India is replaced by the word. So whenever we want to perform the replacement, then we are making use of sub function. Okay. So one more example, str equal to the rain in Spain. So now here I have written x equal to re dot sub function we are using. We are searching for the pattern which we have provided for search is, within the double quotes we have provided /s. So /s means we are searching for the space in the string, and I just want to replace that space with the 9. So just see the output, the after the space is there, so there 9 will be replaced. After that we are having rain, after rain we are having again space, so again in that space 9 is filled. After in we are having the space, so again in that space 9 is filled, because we are replacing the space by the 9. So I hope this is clear to you. One more examples for the sub, that is str equal to the rain in Spain and then re dot sub into round bracket. So like in case of split method we were having max split, so same parameter is also available with the sub. So now in this example we have provided total 4 parameters, that is re dot sub into round bracket. First we provided the pattern which we want to search, then the value by which we will replace that pattern, then the string in which we have to search for the pattern, and how many times we perform the replacement that we have provided as a fourth parameter. So now in this example, re.sub, we are searching for a space. We want to replace the space with the 9 in the string, and 2 times we want to perform the replacement. So 2 spaces will be replaced by the 9, and definitely that will be starting spaces only. So the after the we will be having 9, after rain we will be having 9, and after that in also we are having space, but that is not replaced with the line because we have provided 2 maximum split or maximum replacement as a 2. Then we are having one more example, that is we have taken one date, and I just want to, in the date we are having hyphen, and I want to replace that hyphen with the space. So for the same I have written the expression as nd equal to, that is new date equal to re dot sub into round bracket, within a single quotes I have provided the hyphen, because this is the pattern which I want to search and replace. And after that comma, second parameter I have provided blank spaces, means just replace that hyphen with the blank space, and where we want to perform this replacement and checking in a d variable. So that I have passed as a third parameter. So just see the output, new date is, and the date is displayed as it is 2017-05-18, but there is no hyphen symbol because we have replaced the hyphen with the space. So this is sub function. Then we are having re.compile. So again into round bracket we just have to provide pattern, then replacement scheme, and then the string. So from the example it will be clear to you. Now re.compile we have, means within a compile method whatever word or the pattern which we are passing, that we will check whether that pattern is present in the string or not. So re.compile av means we are searching for the av. So result equal to pattern.find. So now in pattern what is value of pattern, that is av. re.compile av is the value for the pattern. So av is the pattern which we are searching, and we want to search for all the patterns which are present in the string. The same pattern we want to check whether it is present how many times in the string. So for the same we have written the statement as result equal to pattern dot find all into round bracket av analytics vidya av. So now we are having av 2 times. So the pattern which you want to compile, that is present 2 times. So whenever we are printing the result, we will get av 2 times. Similarly again in result 2 equal to pattern dot find all, and in that we have provided the av is the largest analytics community of the India. So in this av is present only once, so we will get the result as one time av. So this is a compile method. So basically whatever pattern we want to search for or compile for, that we will provide it as a parameter for the compile, and then in which variable we are storing this compile parameter, that variable, on that variable we will apply different methods like find all and search method. So this is compile method. So that much methods which we have seen which are part of regular expression. Then you will be having separate question on this topic, a match object. Write a note on match object. So this is the reason why I have added this topic. So match object is an object containing information about the search and the result. So this is one kind of this actually we have at the starting only, in last lecture only we have seen one example of match method, or in today's lecture also at the starting we have started with this method only, match method. So the same thing we are having here also, but now we are using or we are creating the match object with the help of search method. So that was match method and this is match object. So what is the advantage of having match object? Match object returns the result also and the search also. So now we are having str, one string we are having the rain in Spain. Then x equal to re.search. What I am searching for? I am searching for ai. ai is my pattern for which I am searching in the string. And then I have printed the x, print x. So what output we got? Underscore sre.sre underscore match object. Span equal to 5 comma 7. One method which we have used with the find all function, that is find iter, which actually display the starting index of the match object, okay, and the ending index. So that is display as a result, as well as for which character or which pattern which we are searching AI. So that is again display. So this is the meaning of the first line. Match object is an object containing information about the search. So match equal to AI, this is the search, and the result is span equal to 5 comma 7, means this particular pattern is found at 5th index, okay, and its ending index is 7. So from the example we are having the, so the, just put the numbering from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is present at 5. I is present as 6. So definitely it will not display the result as ending as 6. It will display as 7, because 6 is, we are considering 6 is 6, sorry, the I is the character which is present at the index number 6, is a part of pattern. So its index number is not display as a end object. One more, we can say that index is added. So 5 comma 7 indicates that at the 5th index, this is we got the pattern, okay. And now in this case it will search for the, when the pattern encounters for the first time, that it has searched. Once he got the pattern, the result is automatically immediately display. It is not going to search for one more occurrence of the same pattern, okay. So basically match object is having some properties and methods with the help of which you can retrieve the information about the result and the search. So the first method which is associated with the match object, that is span. So span means, now just see the example, span equal to 5 comma 7. So it will display the starting index and the ending index of the match pattern. After that we are having string. String means the pattern for which we are searching, and dot group returns the part of the string where there was a match. So it will display the how many times AI occur. So now in this example we are having AI 2 times. So it will, the group function will display the AI 2 times. So now we are going to use all three methods of match, that is span, string and group. So just see the example, import RE, then we have taken one string str equal to the rain in Spain. Then we are searching for one pattern, that is /b capital S and then /w, means at the starting we want capital S, okay. That is important. /w or plus, that is not that much important, means after that we can have any character between A to Z, okay, and a repetition is also there, one or more occurrence, because we have written plus. But here what is important in search patterns, startings, /b is nothing but starting of that particular word should be capital X. So there is only one word in our string, that is Spain, which start with the capital S. So just see the result. While printing the result, I have written x.span. So as I said, span gives you the location or the starting and the ending index. So if you notice, or if you just put the numbering from the and start the numbering with the 0, S is having number, index number as 12. So from the 12, P is having 13, 14, 15, 16, N is having 16. So definitely in the result, the ending index number will be considered as 16 plus 1, that is 17. But here starting is very, very important, that is 12. So span method will give you the positions where the particular pattern is found. Then the next one, again we are making use of span only. Sorry, the second time again same example is printed. Now we are moving to next example. Now here we have used string. As I told you, that is a match object is having methods and properties. So string is a property. So again we have taken the same example. We are performing the same search only. Means our pattern is the string should contain starting capital S. So if we are displaying the x dot string, then if search is found, that is there any word which is starting with the capital S? So if we found this search, the entire string will be displayed as output. The rain in Spain will be displayed as output. If we found the pattern, if pattern is not there, you will not be able to see anything. So that is use of X dot string. It will display the entire string if match is found. And the last one is group we have used. So group means now as we have provided the pattern as search for the word who is having starting capital S. So in the span it display the position, in the string it has displayed the entire string which we have provided to the search method, and you just want to see the word, only the word which is starting with the capital S. So in that case you can use the group function. So basically group function or group method, it combines the result of similar pattern. So now in our pattern we have provided slash S. Slash B capital S means we are searching for a capital B. So it will take the entire word which is associated with the capital S. So it will display the output as Spain, because Spain is the word who is having starting as capital S. So it groups the result. So X dot group will display the word which matches the pattern. Okay. So in place of capital capital S, if you are making use of capital T, then if you are applying X dot group, then you will got the output as D, because D is the word whose starting character is capital T. So like that you will get the output. So this much is there in regular expression chapter. So we are now done with the chapter, that is regular expression. In next lecture we will start with the new chapter. So thank you very much.